Welcome to making a greenhouse. To begin with, go underneath View to Toolbars and make sure that you've chosen just a large set. Now your screen should look similar to mine. I'll close this for the moment. Now we're going to start by placing the person using the hand tool. We're going to put them in the center. Now we're going to use a rectangle tool. We'll start about right here. Pull it over and take it back about like this. Now we're going to use the push-pull. We'll raise it up over the person's head a little bit. And then we're going to choose the arc tool. We're going to go from one side to the other. We're going to raise it up till it's all the way to the top and click. Now back to the push-pull tool, and we're going to slide this to the end. Do the same thing with the other side. Now you can notice that we have a Quonset hut style of a greenhouse. We'll come over to the offset tool, select the front edge, and pull out. We want to have just enough space for like a frame. We'll add a door while we're here. Come over to the edge. Come up. We know that the door needs to be fairly high. Make this a nice door. Back to the offset tool. Add a frame for it. And now we're going to go to the rear. I'm going to zoom out a little bit. Turn around to the rear of the object. We'll use the same technique to make the frame there. And now we're ready to put in some material. Let's go to the paint bucket. I'm under glass and mirrors. I'll choose the translucent blue glass, but you can pick another transparent material if you desire. I'll do the same thing here in the front. And for the top, I'm going to use a little different material. There we go. There is your greenhouse.